Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to go through with you a very quick technique on how to turn off the clicking you get on the remote. Very simple, very easy to do. I know some people get really annoyed by the clicking sound or certain things on devices like that. I don't know why, but some people do. That's just the way they are, I guess. Before we get to that, if I can ask you to please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up. That would be very much appreciated. Okay guys, right, let's get to it. Right then, all you need to do is head over to settings. Now you can either do this using the navigation on the remote here, just click over to the right, or you can use your little Alexa button that's at the top. Microphone button if you're on an old device, settings, and then we go down to display and audio, and then we go down to audio. Once you're on audio, you go to the navigation sounds button there. I've got mine off already. I'll just show you, turn it on so you hear the clicking again, and all you got to do is turn it off. That is it, plain and simple. No more annoying noises for you people that don't like the clicking. That's it for today. As I said, very short video. If I can get you to please subscribe, as I said earlier, that would be amazing. Before we go, just one quick word from our sponsor, Privacy VPN. They've got a great deal on at the moment, 81% off of their UK VPN deal, ending shortly. We have got an affiliated link below, but if you don't want to go through that, just visit their website. And you can get a 2-year plan here for £1.50 per month, which is an amazing deal. Obviously you'll unlock a load of content, as you can see there, many locations, you know, you've got secure Wi-Fi, very good speeds, they don't do any logs either, and it's available on many devices. So that's it today guys. Thank you very much, as always, take care, and I will see you soon.